So here's all of our donations to Mother Nature. What is that? Oh, crab. Crab, crab, crab. Sorry, this is probably really hard to see. And there's some frogs that look. Oh yeah, snails, yeah. And there's a little itty bitty turtle in there. And we're about to put them into the water. Okay, so now we are setting the creatures free. Wait. There they go. There they go. Here come the frogs. Oop. Go, guys, go. Go, go, go. There they go. There they go. There they go. Now we got these little itty bitty crabs. Oh, look at the size of that frog. He's been here a minute. Wow, and he's an albino. Hello, Mr. Frog. Wow. We are giving back to nature. This place is just amazing. Hey, baby. Happy New Year. Happy Songkran.